I see that I might be. I see that I might be. I see that I might be.
Hey everybody, it's Jasmine, and today I'm bringing you guys this really easy half cut crease look. I really love this type of look because it's just so neutral, but then once you close your eyes or look to the side, it's like, oh my god, she has a little pop of color. That's so cool. It's so quirky. It's so interesting. So I hope you guys all enjoy this look. I hope you guys enjoy day 4, and I hope you guys are having an amazing Thanksgiving day. So let's go on into the tutorial. This look is going to be super easy. It's just a wearable green cut crease. So today we're using a palette from Makeup Revolution called the Slime palette. Now this is in the packaging of their chocolate bar palette, but this does not smell like chocolate. This actually has like this weird plasticky scent, like it's almost chocolate, but it's like not quite. It's like a stale plasticky chocolate scent. So it does not smell good at all, but I wanted to do a look inspired by this palette here. And I would think because it was a slime palette that there would be more neons in here, but there's only a couple and then a lot of muted cool tones in here. I zoomed you guys in so you can see the eye look a little bit better. Now today's eye look is going to be primarily with Sigma brushes because they're the only clean ones right now. So this look is actually pretty simple. So what you see on the eye is pretty much what I am using in this palette. It's pretty self-explanatory. So the orange, terracotta, brown, black, yellow, and green here. I'm starting off with the orange and I'm popping that into my crease as a transition shade. Now this color is really nice. I do like the pigmentation and formula of the chocolate bar palettes in general from the Makeup Revolution line. It's just that I prefer the mini chocolate bar palettes because they make more sense to me and they don't have random shades. So if you look at this palette, I feel like a lot of the shades in here are really random and I would probably never use. So this entire top row to me is pretty random besides this teal shade here. I just feel like the mini palettes are more concise, they're straight to the point, and they have a good variety of matte and shimmers, while these ones can be a hit or miss because some of the older chocolate bar palettes, they have more shimmers than mattes. The more that they launch, the better they are at balancing out the palette, but I still don't think it's my absolute favorite. Now I'm using the terracotta shade to really deepen up the crease here. So the orange was my transition, now this is gonna be my crease shade. This is really pretty, very easy to blend, just like the other chocolate bar palettes. I think the browns are really easy to blend here. The other colors, they do come off a little patchy, a little sheer. So one thing that Makeup Revolution does right in these palettes are the neutral shades. I'm taking more of a flatter blending brush. This one's a Sigma E25. And I'm going to place this right in the outer corner. It's great for packing on the shade and then blending it out too. And then with this dark brown, I'm going to do like a cat wing type of shape because I want this to just go in this motion. I do this a lot in a lot of my tutorials because it's more flattering on my eye shape personally. So most of the time you'll see me do this step. But if you have rounder eyes than me and you don't like doing that, then totally skip it. It's totally fine. I'm just gonna go back and blend the edges once more before I move on. I'm gonna take my Catrice Liquid Camo Concealer and we are gonna do a half cut crease with this. I'm also going to blend out the edges with a actual concealer brush so that it's a little bit more precise, sharp, and exactly where I want it. Now we're gonna take that neon yellow called Radioactive and we're just gonna go ahead and tap this on our entire eyelid. You wanna tap instead of smearing it because this shade is a little patchy. I do notice that a lot of neon shades are patchy, so just remember to tap so that you're tapping it in place as opposed to moving it around. It's just easier that way, and I always recommend applying a concealer base whenever you do use neon shades. And right in that edge area, we are gonna take that Sigma E25 brush again, and we're just gonna continue blending these two together. Right on the edge. Doesn't have to be completely perfect, but you want to make sure that there's some type of transition between the two. So I have been requested to do a smoked out eyeliner, so I've been practicing off camera for you guys, and I think I mastered it a little bit better than how I used to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead with my kohl liner. This is by Real Her. This is the I Am Amazing eyeliner. First, I'm going to tight line as usual. So I'm gonna go right into my waterline area. And then when I'm gonna go into the wing, I'm gonna actually start in the outer corner, and I'm just going to create like a small triangle-like shape. It doesn't have to be completely perfect, but it's gonna look something like that, a little rough, right? We are gonna take another Sigma brush. This is the Pinpoint Concealer brush. It's the F68. While this is just applied, you wanna kind of smudge it out before you add any eyeshadow. You just want to work with it before it sets. And then we're going to take the black in the palette, and we are just going to go over this eyeliner and just fix it up. Just make it into the wing that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and make this look a little higher, and so on and so forth. I've never gotten mine to look completely even before. I mean, I've just been working with it, playing around with it, and so far I think this is the best method that I could give right now. Of course, I'm still practicing. I'm not a pro at this at all, but it's good to try something new once in a while. And then I'm going to lean my head back. I'm going to take my liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to create a small thin line connecting my lash line to the wing itself, so it looks a little bit more cohesive. So far, this is how I do my smoked out liner. It's not so smoky, but it's still pretty soft. Because we're done with the top eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, just really lightly, because I want to prep these for the fake lashes. I'm gonna take some more of my eyeliner, and I'm going to run it maybe 2/3 into my waterline and a little bit on my lash line. On a small brush, I'm gonna take the terracotta shade, and I'm going to blend this all along my lower lash line. This is gonna be my primary color down here. And I'm just going to start where the eyeliner is, and then just keep blending however far down you want to go. I don't want to take it too far down this time. I kind of want everything to be just sleek and smoky. With the dark brown, we are going to go into the lower lash line, almost touching the waterline shade. Just going to re-blend everything together. And that's the lower lash line. It's super, super simple. Today's eyelash of choice is a ShopMissA Tracy eyelash. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto my lash line. These are so pretty, and I find whenever I do cut creases like this, I love applying lashes that have that cat wing shape. It just complements the look so well, so good. I love it so much. I've been forgetting bottom mascara recently, so I just want to go ahead and apply this before I forget. Now for the inner corners, we're going to take the shade in the palette called Slime. Go figure, it's a slime palette. And we are going to just heavily apply this right in the inner corner to give the look a little bit more pop and to actually make it look a little bit more fun and festive. How cute and simple was this eye look, you guys? Okay, let's go on into the face. Who else remembers this palette? My e.l.f. bronzer palette in the shade Bronze Beauty. Love it. I'm mixing all 4 shades because why not? I'm taking this on my Elysium Yori brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. Oh, I recently just found it because I bought another set of Alex drawers because my drawers are getting way too full of product. So I said, you know what, let's just buy another one, and let's also kind of reorganize everything. I like the way I organized it, but I just wanted to make sure, you know, all of my bronzer palettes were just in one place now. And when I was organizing just the bronzer palettes, I found this again and I said, oh wow, we're gonna use her now. So here we are. This might be just a little expired, but it's fine, it's okay. We're still gonna make it work. Now we're taking the Catrice Strobing blush in the shade Miss Amber Brown. This is a pretty nice neutral pink blush. It's not going to take away from the eye look because it's so neon. We want the face to just complement the eye look as we've always been doing with the rest of the series. To finish off the cheeks, we're gonna do the Benefit Cookie Highlight. Wow. Wow. Hello. How stinking cute is that? Wow, so good. Thank you, Sydney, for getting me this. For lips today, I'm using the Jordana Easy Liner for Lips in the shade Coco Loco and the Huda Beauty Matte Lipstick in the shade Staycation. I've been wanting the Staycation lipstick for so long, so now that I have it, I'm so excited about it. Alright everyone, that was my video. Hope you guys all enjoy. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your Thanksgiving day. I know I'm going to upload this video in the morning, so hopefully you guys are actually getting ready with me too, and hopefully that this inspired you to do something a little bit more colorful into your Thanksgiving look, because I feel like Thanksgiving is one of those holidays where you just wear gold, bronze, maroon, like it's just very neutral, and this is still neutral, but it still has that little pop of color. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.